channel, please subscribe, like, and share. So today we're going to see the book Roar and learn about facts. So I learned about African animals facts, 100 fun facts about the African animals. So it's level 3, and if you go in a library, you can check out this book. I went to a library and got this. This book tells about lions, cheetahs, and African animals. So all the African animals are in this book. So if you didn't learn about some of them, like wild cats, like you know that lions and cheetahs are wild cats, but there are more. I saw the page and then it had lots of kind of wild cats. There were a lot. I learned lots of things from this book, like about animals, like I never knew. You'll learn about what you never knew. You'll learn. So I found this in a library in Lincoln, Nebraska, because I live there. And so this book is amazing. Like, it tells about female lions and male lions. Like, I just learned that female lions hunt for food, not the male. Well, I learned lots of things. Like, female lion stays with its mom, and all the male lions go away from their moms, so in their life. Every day, they do hunting, of course. Everyone knows. Well, do you know that cheetahs can run per 70 or 60 per hour? Like, run really fast for that hours per hour. So this book is amazing. Like, I didn't know about other animals, like these other wild cats. Like, look at this page. It shows another wild cat. It looks kind of like a pet kitty. And I don't know this one. I didn't know this one, but I now know this one, and this one, and this one. Of course, you know cheetahs and lions. So, please subscribe, like, and share, and